Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I was feeling a green and pink smoky eye, so that is what I will be showing you how to achieve today. I'm starting off by taking my Born This Way Radiant Concealer by Too Faced, and I'm going to prime my eyelid. Now taking this flat end tapered brush, I'm going to go into my Beauty Creations Anna palette. And we're going to put the shimmery green shade all over the lid. Now to get the smoky eye in the corners, I'm going to be taking the black shade in the Anna palette. And we're just going to pack that a little bit on the outer corner and blend it in with the green. Gives it a nice smoky color. To blend it together a little bit more, I'm going to go back into the shimmery green shade and just go over the black a little bit and blend it in. Now for the waterline and lower lash line, I'm taking my LA Girl Neon Eyeliner Shockwave in Pop. It's a nice hot pink. To finish the look, I'm going in with my Volumazing Mascara by Revlon. And I'm just going to coat my eyelashes. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this green and pink smoky eye. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!